Welcome to sewlyjo. Today we're talking about how to choose the right fabric for bag making. When it comes to selecting fabric for your bag projects, there are a few key things to consider. The first and most important factor is durability. You want a fabric that can withstand the wear and tear of everyday use, especially if you're making a bag that will be used frequently or carried around a lot. Some good options for durable bag fabric include canvas, denim, leather, and heavy-duty cotton twill. These fabrics are strong and sturdy and will hold up well over time. Another important factor to consider is the weight of the fabric. You want a fabric that is heavy enough to give your bag structure and shape, but not so heavy that it becomes cumbersome to carry. A good rule of thumb is to choose a fabric that is at least medium weight, but not too thick or stiff. In addition to durability and weight, you'll also want to think about the look and feel of the fabric. Do you want a more formal or casual look? A matte or shiny finish? A smooth or textured surface? Consider your personal style and the purpose of the bag when selecting a fabric. Finally, don't forget to pre-wash your fabric before you start sewing. This will help to prevent shrinkage and color bleeding later on. I hope these tips have been helpful. Happy fabric shopping and bag making!